Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I have the privilege of showing you guys the 277 LXF by Scout Boats. So let's go ahead and start off at the helm. We have twin 10-inch displays right here. We have your twin binnacle controls. This is controlling the twin 225 horsepower motors on the back of this boat, which is max horsepower. Have all your switches at arm's reach, of course. Your nice black Edson steering wheel right here. Garmin VHF up top. Full windshield right here. There is some vents up top to give you a little bit of airflow. Then, of course, we have a compass right in the center of the helm. This is very comfortable right here. I'm 5'6". I can see perfectly over this this helm right here. You can go even taller. You still have plenty of room right here for your knees. You have a bolster if you do want to lift this up and stand up as you drive, like I typically do. And again, still plenty of room for your legs right here. Nice soft sea deck under your feet for those rough days. Cruising towards the back, obviously we have our bench seat that flips out right here, and it does flip away to give you more room for when you are out there fishing. Down below here is your bilge area. On both sides we do have fish boxes, and this is a cool feature on this boat. You have a dive door that opens up right here, and there is a separate ladder for this as well. This is a 9-foot beam boat. Length overall is just under 28 feet. And fuel capacity on this boat is 164 gallons. So you can do pretty much anything on the Texas coast in this boat. As we're moving forward, Sarah, I want to show you this head compartment. This is perfect for all the ladies in your life. Plenty of room down there. Nice vacuum flush head with an overboard discharge as well. You have your some of the items that were in there is your bow shade for the front of the boat. Obviously the motors for, or the propellers for the motors as well. Right here, nice seat up front. I do have the bow filler cushion installed right now. Oh, one thing I want to point out, this is the Grigio cushion color package, and you do have bolsters all the way around the boat. So this is a very plush boat. It's great for fishing, great for cruising, and definitely if you want to look good on the water, Scout is the way to go. We also did the midnight package where we got the black rails, T-top frame, all that good stuff, which leads me to my next point. This is a full hull color black, and we did the silver painted stripe on the outside of it. Windlass at the front of the boat, bow rod cup holder, fishing rod holders up there as well. So we checked every box on this boat. We like to order boats how we like to use them, how we would purchase them here. So we can really stand behind our product. So definitely come by and see us here at MarineMax Houston. Again, my name is Billy Folks, and you can reach me at 936-223-6770. Thank you.